Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today I'm just replacing the actual oil cooler, which is that one there. Oil cooler housing sits on top of the actual engine on top here at the valley. So luckily we've done that, because if you look at that one there, the gasket's already been starting to break down as well. So this one here was leaking oil at the back as well. Let's have a look what I mean. That's the gasket there. That's all. You see how bad it is. The gasket's gone already, finished. Lucky it didn't actually start to leak, because it's going to leak into the actual belly of the engine. If you look at the actual gasket down here, look at this part here, that's leaking on top as well, on the oil cooler. So it comes complete, the whole housing comes complete with the gaskets. Alright, so I just want to show that to you before I start assembly. So now I'm going to start to assemble everything back together on this one here, and then we'll start up and go from there. At the same time, I'm just charging the battery to make sure the battery is full. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.